Bob Marley, born on February 6, 1945, in 9 Mile, Jamaica, stands as an enduring symbol of reggae music and Jamaican culture. His impact on the global stage from the late 1960s until his untimely death in 1981 extends far beyond musical entertainment. Marley's music serves as a powerful catalyst for social and political change, blending reggae, ska, and rocksteady into a distinctive sound that resonates worldwide. As a cultural ambassador for Jamaica, Marley's lyrics delve into themes of love, peace, and resistance, with his album Exodus earning acclaim as one of the greatest of all time. Beyond his musical prowess, Bob Marley's Rastafarian beliefs and unwavering commitment to social justice leave an indelible mark, ensuring his legacy as a revered global icon in both music and culture. Music is a healing force. It touches the soul without causing pain. Liberate your mind from mental chains. Only we have the power to set ourselves free. No need to worry about a thing. Everything will be all right in the end. In life, you'll encounter pain from others. Focus on those who make the suffering worthwhile. Cherish the life you have and live it in a way that reflects your love. Reflect on your life. Open your eyes and assess if you're content with the path you're on. True greatness lies not in wealth, but in integrity and the positive impact you have on others. Stand up for your rights and don't give up the fight against injustice. Look to the future, but remember your past. It shapes who you are. Conquer negativity with the powerful force of love. What seems good today might bring sadness tomorrow. Appreciate every moment. Prioritize wisdom over material wealth. It holds more value than silver or gold. Success is not about the destination, but the journey. Recognize the healing properties of herb and be mindful of the destructive nature of alcohol. True freedom begins within. Only you can break the chains of your mind. Every individual has the right to determine their own destiny. Adopt a positive mindset. Let go of negativity and make way for a brighter day. The more people embrace positivity, the faster societal issues will diminish. Prejudice is a restrictive chain. Holding on to it prevents progress. Find purpose in living for others. It adds meaning to your existence. Love is a force that persists and never abandons us. Those who aim to worsen the world are tirelessly working. We should be too. It takes courage to awaken love without intending to nurture it. Let's unite with love, one heart, for a harmonious world. Recognize the vastness within each person. Every individual is a universe. Life's value cannot be measured in money. Never disregard your history or lose sight of your destiny. Life is a journey filled with signs. Navigate through challenges with resilience. The biggest coward is a man who awakens the love of a woman with no intention of loving her. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his ability to positively impact those around him. Love is never lost. If not reciprocated, it will flow back and soften and purify the heart. Life is one big road with lots of signs. So when you're riding through the ruts, don't complicate your mind. You never know how strong you are until being strong is your only choice. Beginnings are usually scary and endings are usually sad. But it's everything in between that makes it all worth living. The more people smoke herb, the more Babylon fall. The good times of today by the sad thoughts of tomorrow. You can fool some people sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all the time.